Welcome! Today we're going to explore the Retrieval Augmented Generation solution, commonly known as RAG, developed by LINAGORA. The concept behind RAG is both simple and powerful. It enhances the answers provided by a large language model, an LLM, by supplying it with targeted, controlled, and fully secured context drawn from your internal data. Here's what RAG can actually do for you. RAG empowers you to access up-to-date and accurate information across any domain without the need to train a specialized knowledge model. It provides citations for its responses and ensures that your data remains secure throughout the process. Let me explain how RAG actually works. Imagine uploading your emails, PDFs, videos, images, and other files into your own storage. Here's what happens next. First, RAG vectorizes your content into a searchable database. Then, when you ask your assistant a question, that question is also vectorized. The system retrieves the most relevant chunks from your documents, builds a prompt, and passes it to the LLM, which generates a precise and informed answer. So what makes LINAGORA's version of RAG stand out? Well, for starters, it's built with a modular and extensible architecture, meaning you can tailor it or upgrade it easily as your needs grow. It's also highly versatile. It supports a wide range of file formats, so you're not limited in how you feed it information. We've developed dedicated processing pipelines for each type of document, which ensures accurate and efficient results every time. The system is scalable by design, running on Ray, so it can manage heavy workloads seamlessly, even across multiple nodes. From a security standpoint, it handles partitioned data, allowing you to isolate content and enforce strict access boundaries between users or contexts. It's also completely LLM agnostic, fully compatible with the OpenAI API, but flexible enough to plug into any other model you choose. And most importantly, it's entirely free and open source. You get full transparency, complete freedom, and no vendor lock-in. Let me walk you through a quick real-life demonstration. Let's look at a few examples in a short, unedited demonstration. First, we'll ask our RAG system, through an LLM, what the benefits of RAG technologies are. The response: by leveraging RAG, the LLM can provide fresher, more reliable, and more accurate information. It can pull from diverse sources and cite the exact origin, such as a video you can watch directly.
Large language models, they are everywhere. They get some things amazingly right, and other things very interestingly wrong.
Let's switch partition. Suppose we're an HR manager who wants to know Laura's position. The LLM answers by referencing the company's CV database. Next, we ask whether Laura has been assigned to a project. Yes, she's working on Project Gray, mentioned in a meeting report. Now we ask, who is a machine learning engineer? The LLM synthesizes information from several documents to present a unified response. Switching to the digital sovereignty partition, we ask again for Laura's position. The LLM responds that it doesn't have that information. HR documents are inaccessible from this partition, as expected. Let's ask, how much has been invested in AI in the US, China, and Europe? The RAG replies with the correct answer, $23 billion, $10 billion, and $2 billion, respectively. This information was extracted via OCR from a graph in a PDF. Finally, we ask the system why digital sovereignty matters. The LLM synthesizes content from various documents and responds to prevent foreign interference, control data, promote autonomy, develop a competitive strategy, cooperate, etc. Why integrating RAG with Twake makes so much sense. This makes the integration of Twake particularly relevant. As organizational knowledge increasingly lives within digital workplaces, it's clear these platforms are the natural environments for AI to deliver value. Let's look at a local document folder synced in real time with our LINAGORA Twake application space. Email, chat, drive, they're all indexed in our personal RAG partition. We ask the Twake assistant, what strategy should we adopt to ensure digital sovereignty? The RAG replies with dependency analysis, strategic solutions, data localization and protection, regulation, etc. These answers are found directly in our personal documents in a fully secure and private manner. I hope this has given you a clear picture of what RAG can really do. Feel free to leave a comment or get in touch with us. As with all solutions developed by LINAGORA, the source code for everything you've seen is freely available. See you soon!